Alrighty, so I've just opened up my Gimp, and on a screen is a file that I took using the camera on the computer. Once I'd taken the photo, I went to File, Open, and I looked around for my photo and just opened it here. Gimp is similar to Photoshop in so many ways. It's a free program, and we're going to try and use this to draw our self-portrait. So over here there's a bunch of different tools: Magic Select, Lasso, Clipping Tool, Measuring Tool, Move Tool, Eyedropper for Pick and Paint, Pats Tool, very sophisticated, we'll get into that, Magnifying Glass, Transforming, Changing Perspective, Text, Paint Bucket, Airbrush, Eraser, Paintbrush, Pencil. Use my paintbrushes in Gimp. I've never used that. Stamp Tool, Heal Image Irregularities Tool, Smudge Tool, Darken, Sharpen Tool, but let's go to the magnifying glass so you can zoom in here. You can go to the Move Tool, which is like a compass, and move this picture around. Okay. For the purpose of just today, we're going to add a new layer. Where does that show up? Well, it shows up over here on this screen right here. So every time you make a change to this photo, it's going to add a layer. Okay. What I'd like to do is have my photo be the primary focus right now. But everything I draw is going to be saved to this layer. So once you select your tools, just click on this layer so it records it as separately, because when you click on the eyeball next to the photo, what's going to happen is you're going to see your drawing underneath. So what I'd also like to do a little later on is to change this grid to transparent or no grid, so that it looks like a piece of paper. From here, I'm going to keep this kind of simple. I'm going to pick my pencil tool, and it's rather large, as you can see by the cursor on the screen. So I'm going to, on the left underneath, once the tool is selected, there is some different things you can do, namely making it smaller. And you can also pick a color by clicking on the color box above it. I'm trying to pick black. It should be showing up on here, but there it is there. And we can also undo it.